Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the new 2020 Passport 239 ML. It's a bunkhouse floor plan. They've been building it for a few years, but they made some awesome improvements for 2020. I'm going to go over those with you today. So this is in the SL series of the Passports. So they've made a few tweaks. They've divided the Passports between the SLs and the Grand Tourings, or the GTs for short. And I'll show you what's new with the SLs this year. So starting at the front, you'll notice power tongue jack, which ties in with the 4 power stabilizer jacks. They've upgraded the baggage doors this year, so you can see nice storage space all throughout, unobstructed, door on either side, and it's LED lit. Outside you got the power awning, which Passport's done for years, the LED light strip. Now, even on their smaller models, they are enclosing and heating the underbelly. So from your furnace, there is a furnace duct that blows warm air every time your furnace is active. It's going to be heating up your tanks and making sure they don't freeze up on you. Outside kitchen, which is covered by your outside awning, or your power awning as well. So you got your 2-burner stove, your fridge, and then your outside showers here as well. So if you need water, you have quick access to it. New with Passport this year is they added this kind of rear storage door. Now this leads right to where your bunks are, and you can lift this up, latch it in place, and use this to store things like bikes or outside barbecue, things like that, kids' toys, whatever you want. It doesn't open from the inside, so you don't have to worry about your kids, accidentally opening it in the night or anything like that, but it can be locked from the outside. So a really cool new feature. All Passports are doing that whenever there's double bunks in the floor plan. Let's head inside and check out how this guy looks. All right, welcome inside. So right off the bat, you're gonna notice there's a couch at the front of the trailer with a curtain. So this is your master bed area. So it is a Murphy bed style. So very easy to set up. The bed just clicks down kind of like a jackknife or a futon, and then your mattress just comes right down. Nice full-size mattress. Now, if you're thinking, I didn't really want a Murphy bed, I'm never gonna use that couch, what have you, then just leave it as a bed. You're not really losing anything, but the odd time that you do want to use the couch, it is there. This mattress is the same as they put in all the trailers, so there's no seam or anything like that. You don't have to worry about it kind of giving way in the middle just to make room for that Murphy bed. So really nice kind of upgrade to this system this year from Passport. They do give you a little countertop extension here as well if you need it. And then you have the nice seamless countertops, stainless steel sink, metal fixtures. You can see Passport does nice big windows. Cabinets above, the nice glass inserts, kind of give a nice finish look to the trailer. TVs come standard. It's wired in to your little IRV deck here. This is Bluetooth, HDMI, all that kind of stuff. So very up to date on its technology. More cabinet space. You got the full-size fridge, important for a lot of families, of course. Oven, standard in the Passports as well. You got the microwave above, full-size air conditioner, and your pantry. So this is huge in a small trailer. Often this is forgotten. So these are removable shelves. You can use it the top half as a closet if you want, or you can use the whole thing as a pantry. Bunks, built with plywood, so you do have a 300-pound weight rating on these guys. And like I said, this one does fold up and latch in place if you wanted to use that for storage. And then you got your washroom. So it's got everything you need. You got your vanity, your fan, skylight over the shower, tub surround, everything you need. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. This is the Passport 239 ML. I'll catch you next time. One thing not to forget when you're shopping on a Keystone or a Dutchman product is the industry's best 3-year limited structural warranty. So what that's talking about is, with most coaches out there, the structure of your trailer is only covered for the 1 year, in the 1 year bumper to bumper. Keystone upgrades that, and there's kind of an extensive clause on that. So anything that has to do with your structure, so whether it's your laminated walls, your roof trusses, your floor joists, your wall studs, all that kind of stuff, if any of that fails you, it's all covered for the first 3 years. Everyone knows that if you're gonna have some kind of structural problem with that from the factory, it's gonna happen within that first year or two anyway. So this just kind of gives you that guaranteed coverage. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. I'll catch you next time. Hi everybody, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This way you can stay on top of all our trailer demos, our walkthroughs, upcoming promotions here at Arcan Trailer. I'm Mike, I'll catch you next time.